Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Joshua. I'm actually from Belgium, but I live in Spain, and this is my project here, my art studio. I'm kind of forced to redo the whole thing. It has to be renovated, and I thought really to try to make as many videos as I can about the whole process. So yeah, this one specifically, as you can already tell a little bit, is about removing your floor, specifically a tile floor. This one is coming out quite easy sometimes in some bits because it's quite moist. But the first things that I would recommend is always get some gloves and get some glasses, because these things can pop up, can fly everywhere. When you're gonna move your bits around, they can be quite sharp, so don't cut yourself. And also another tip, if it's just a couple of tiles, sure, get a hammer, get a chisel, go at it. But for me, this is quite the project. It's my entire downstairs area, my entire upstairs area, and also I have to do a lot of renovations. So I got myself one of these. I can truly recommend it. This one cost me $100 on Amazon. With the brushes, it makes a lot of noise, but it gets the job done. I made a separate video on it. You can go check that also, like the unboxing video of this thing. But yeah, let me show you how I get to it. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. So just a few more tips. Make sure to think about your safety. You know, the glasses, a dust mask if you need it, the gloves. Try to pick out the tiles in whole pieces. You know, it's easier for the cleanup. And the whole thing of not just going in it at random, not breaking your tiles. Try to work in nice straight lines, you know, things like that. Make it all much easier. And of course, the electric jackhammer. I have no question about it. It's the fastest way and the easiest way to do it. For the rest, yeah, if you want to see me renovate this entire place, make sure to follow. One of the next videos is taking out the ceiling, because I have a beautiful Catalan style ceiling with bricks that are in small arches. So if you want to see all of that, click all the right buttons. If you have a question, leave a comment. And for the rest, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.